Hey, my name's Christine, and I'm hanging out with
Melanie and
Autumn.
I get the opportunity to hang out with these ladies for the first time since we started talking. How long ago?
2.5 years ago.
Oh my gosh. So Melanie and I are in real estate as agents, but we're also investors, and Autumn is mostly an investor. When we first connected, I was like, wow, there's this wonderful girl, Autumn, and she does properties, what, nationwide or?
Yep, nationwide.
Gotcha. And Melanie, you also invest in what state?
Oklahoma, a lot.
Mostly
We're in a
Oklahoma.
lot of places
Yeah.
right now.
So I connected them because Autumn was looking for someone to help with her business, and I connected Melanie. And this is one of the things that we need to focus more in 2023 is
Yeah.
currency and connecting with your network.
Absolutely. Melanie's now my business partner, so
Awesome.
Yep, several deals closed, money being made. So yeah.
That's what it's all about. So we are here at Pace Marby's book event, right?
yep, book signing.
And he's doing a tour of how many states?
5.
But anyway,
Maybe, I don't
we
know.
just wanted to come on and say the currency here for 2023, connecting. Have fun.
Yep.